Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. By now you've heard of CTek. They are the sponsors of today's video, and I thought it was time to share with you exactly how they've transformed my experience when it comes to battery charging and maintenance. Let's go. If you're like me, your battery maintenance needs keep increasing, and frankly, we hate replacing and buying batteries. Today we're going to look at some of CTek's offerings and take a real-world look at some use case scenarios. And I just so happen to have a 10-year-old battery in my boat that needs some attention. Right now I'm in my boat. Let me show you the problem. This boat's equipped with two batteries. I have a starter battery and an auxiliary battery. And the starter battery doesn't even have enough juice to run the warning chime, let alone start it. Today we're going to use the CTek Pro 25S, which you'd use on larger batteries such as commercial trucks, RVs, and in this case, my boat. As long as our battery's not damaged, I think this is the best one for the job because it has a dedicated lead-acid battery reconditioning program to restore dead batteries. Let's give it a shot. So this little guy here is our temperature sensor. We're going to slide it in this clip right here, and it's going to monitor the ambient temperature and adjust the voltage as needed so we don't overheat. Now I don't have a chassis to ground to because it's a fiberglass boat, so I'm going to connect to the battery directly. I'll explain all of the settings later, but for now we're going to pick recondition. It's already moving along and we'll come back later. I'm just going to provide some shade because it's sunny out and I have to leave it outside. So what more does the 25 Pro S have to offer? Let's start with this as a professional battery charger and power supply for any 12-volt lead acid and 12-volt lithium battery. So for conventional charging with our lead acid and AGM batteries, we'd leave it to normal mode. If it was our lithium, we'd put it to lithium mode. One thing I really love, this has power supply mode, so I can leave it connected to my vehicles while I diagnose a problem, work on it, maybe install some lighting without damaging my sensitive electronics, and be able to get that work done and protect the battery. There's lots of great uses for supply mode, such as similar to a car dealership. I go to car shows, I could power this up using supply mode and have all the electronics work while the vehicle's parked. Supply mode uses low voltage and current ripple, so it's designed to be safe and used this way. Again, this is a professional product, so we have the long cable length, and it's also super rugged and durable for all shop environments. Maybe you don't need a Pro 25S. My most common go-to in my garage is actually my MXS5. This is more of an everyday charger for your common 12-volt battery maintenance needs. Simple to use, you have these comfort connectors, or you get these comfort connector accessories and just plug it into your battery like that. It maintains, charges, and even reconditions like its Pro Series siblings. Simply an amazing smart charger for your everyday light-duty needs. I use it about once a month on my daily vehicles just to keep them in tip-top shape. So in this case, plug it in. Select your battery type, in this case AGM, and leave it. And the most versatile of them all, the portable CS-free battery charger with adaptive boost. It takes a flat battery and safely boosts it within 15 minutes without any damage to your sensitive electronics. Because it's portable, that means we can recharge it and have that power on the go. We can charge it with the optional solar panel. We can charge it with this 12-volt auxiliary adapter. You can even draw power from a donor battery. And of course, you can just plug it in. Its built-in power bank charges laptops, phones, tablets, cameras, and more. For adaptive boost, all we do is connect the clamps and push start. If we want to charge it up all the way, simply plug it in, and you've got this handy timer here to reference how your charge is going. Among other accessories, they also have storage cases, which are durable, water repellent, and keep everything nice and tidy. Okay, let's check our progress. It's been about 2 hours, recondition mode, and it says we are good to go. Let's disconnect it and see if our starter battery has been revived. Reconnect the negative terminals. Well, let's see if this did the trick. Oh, better tone. Let's go! Well, it's nice to know we won't get stranded on the lake. If you want to check out more from CTek, go to smartercharger.com, use the promo code DL1 for a limited time, and maybe save yourself some money. If you found this somewhat educational and you enjoyed learning how I maintain my batteries, then hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. We'll talk to you next time. I gotta go out on the boat.